It's really interesting to see you back in this course of what is actual digital marketing. So in this video, we are going to understand what exactly is the online opportunity for your business or for your marketing agency or where you are doing your job, or even if you want to get on digital tools or digital platforms to market your own business. Now, what is actually the online opportunity that you have? Let us say some people say that you need to have a website to get digital or to get digitalized. No, I don't say that you need to have a website to get digitalized initially. Let us say you do not have any technical knowledge to start a website. But nowadays, we see that because of some of the industry standards, many of the people, they do not just go and directly create their website. They first start with the social media profiles, like starting a page on Facebook or starting a Twitter handle on Twitter, or going and opening a Google My Business page. So there are many other such opportunities where you can go and start and register yourself for all those digital platforms and get digitalized with your business. Now, let us say you have a digital marketing agency and you want to explain what is actually the digital marketing opportunity for upcoming businesses. Now, what is the way how you can explain your customers or your clients? Let us take a clear-cut example and very short, simple example how you can explain your client. Your client is actually selling some of the jewelries. Now, how you can explain your client to come and explore the digital marketing for him? Nowadays, the young population, that is what itself say as millennials, whenever they are free, they are not actually using any of the books or any of the newspapers. They are actually using the mobile phones. Now, when they are using the mobile phones, they are actually using one or the other apps of digital marketing tools, what we always use, like YouTube, Facebook, Google, Twitter, any of these platforms. Now, when they are actually spending their time on all these social media platforms or any of the digital platforms like Google or any other things. Now, when they are spending their time, it's actually an opportunity for us to target that group of audience if we have that group of audience as targeted tools or products if you have in your business. Now, how can you do that? Let us say you want to target a group of audience of 18 to 24 age group to buy some of the jewelries from your store or from your business. Let us say you have some other art galleries where you can sell the other arts of your own jewelries. Now you want to target that specific group of audience. Now you create a Facebook page on Facebook and you want to target that specific audience. Now Facebook gives you all those tools where you can specifically target that group of audience whenever they are spending their time. They give you an option of targeting the audience. They give you an option of that demography where you can select your location also. This is the way how you initially get digitalized your business, not exactly directly going, starting and creating your own website or an app. That actually is the second phase of how you get digitalized. The initial phase is by using all these digital media platforms, like opening up a social media profile or even opening up with Google My Business page. Now, Google My Business page helps you when you want to attract new people whenever they are searching on Google. Let us say someone is searching for coffee shops near me. Now, when someone searches for coffee shops near me, according to that precise location, Google shows your shop when they are near your shop. Now, it will show only when you register yourself on Google My Business page. This is very easy, where you can go on Google My Business page and create your business page and say to Google that you can show my business to all the nearby local customers whenever they are searching for any local coffee shops. This is the way how you get digitalized initially, and this itself is called as an online opportunity, or what we have for upcoming businesses. So this was the clear-cut form of what is actually online opportunity. Now in upcoming videos, let's get further what are those highly interesting topics. See you there.